Hello! Good morning, everybody. How are you? Welcome back to Miss Nadia's class. Hi! I hope everybody's doing well and healthy, keeping their immunes up, eating their vitamins, eating vegetables. Who has been eating their vegetables? You! Good job! Today we are going to continue on our phonics lesson. We're still going to blend sounds, and this time we're going to listen to the ending sound, not the beginning sounds anymore. We're going to learn to blend consonants in the back of a word. So it means the ending sound. Are you ready? Now let me tell you what consonants we are going to blend today. Let's see, yeah? I'm going to make a letter with my hand. I want you to guess what letter it is, okay? It goes like this. It's wiggly wiggly. Nyang, nyang, nyang. What is it? I'll do it again, yeah? Start from the top and then it goes upside down, side up. Do you know what it is? Yay! It's an S. That's right. Do you want to make an S with me? Let's go. Start from the top. Go up and down and up again. Now we are going to blend this S with a... What letter is like this? Down, across, just like this. Yay! It's a T. So we are going to blend an S and a T. How is it going to sound, yeah? S and T. The sound is like this. How is it? Just like when mommy or when your teacher tells you to be quiet, it goes like this. Everybody say it with me. Yes, that's right. That's how S and T sounds in the back of a word. Say it again with me. That's right. Now, because you already know how the sound is, we are going to see some words that ends with what are they, yeah? First of all, look at this yummy, yummy pie. On the sides of a pie, there is a crust. Everybody say crust. See? Listen to the sound. Crust. Just like crust. Yes, this is how you write crust. Look at the back. Crust. And then, when mommy is sweeping the floor, hachoo! Hachoo! You sneeze because there is so many dust. Everybody say dust. Dust. This is the word dust. Look at the S at the back. Dust. Yes, that's right. The third word we are going to learn is something that you put on. What is it? Do you know what this is? It is a vest. Everybody say vest. Look at the word vest. Say it with me. Vest. Good job. So we've learned crust. We've learned dust. We've also learned vest. What next, Miss Nadia? Let me see. Do you know what this is? This. No, that's not a hand. It's my fist. Everybody say fist. This is how you write it. Fist. A fist is the hand, but this part of the hand we call fist. Notice the s at the back. Fist. Right? See, that is our fourth word. What is our fifth word? Can anybody think of a word that ends with s? I know. It's up on a tree. It's where birds live. Do you know what it is? Yes, you're right. It's a nest. Everybody say nest. Good job. I know everybody is a fast learner. So we have learned 5 words. Let's say it together with me. First is crust. Good. And the second one is dust. Good job. And the third one is something you wear. It's a vest. Yeah. And the fourth word that we learned is a fist. Good job. The last word that we learned today is where birds live. It's a nest. Yay! Because everybody did such a good job, I'm gonna give you a rainbow clap. It goes like this. Rainbow clap. I'm gonna give you another word. Rainbow clap. Good job, everybody. Now we are going to learn to read sentences. Everybody is already a good reader, right? We are going to read this sentence together. It's there on your screen. Can you read it with me? This is my vest. Good. There is dust on my vest. Hachi! You better clean the vest, yeah, so there is no dust in the vest. Now, let's read our second sentence. It goes like this. This is your vest. Good job. There is, what is it? There is dust on your vest. Good job, children. Now let's make a big rainbow clap. Pop, 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 pop. One more time. Pop, 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 pop. Good job. Now I want you to find other words that end with s. Okay? I'll see you in my next class. Bye bye everybody. Have fun.